Pharmaceutical production stopped, and this BOSCH line was down. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, downtime is not just time. It means lost batches, compliance risk, and delayed deliveries. This is where FTI Solutions steps in, specialists in restoring critical pharmaceutical automation systems safely and correctly. This is a BOSCH packaging and process line, model PKBP-BOSCH-17. A complex system with automation logic, safety circuits, sensors, drives, and interlocks. The challenge wasn't simple. The system required precise diagnostics, no risky trials, no guesswork, because a single wrong action can trigger larger failures. FTI engineers traced control signals, verified I/O and communication health, stabilized the PLC and control side, and then carried out the required calibration to restore stable operation. The result? The BOSCH line returned to production-ready condition, stable, repeatable, and safe for pharmaceutical operations. We provide free online quick evaluation before site work, fast turnaround, low cost, and local warranty on every repair. FTI Solutions, Saudi Arabia, and UAE.